me. Don't try me. I just say make I stop to the dance.
Oh, yeah.
I did be I still the dance. Who be Kafi? Therefore, not know them.
It's true.
Who be Usher, P-Square? Nobody for know them. I just say make I stop to dance. Before self, I know this is like dancing, makeup. I just say make I stop so that some kind people go feel the
makeup.
Go feel makeup. Like makeup now. If I want to do makeup, very easy.
Very easy.
I just say make I stop.
You go start from where?
I go first normally do foundation. After I don't do foundation,
You go
you can't do wait, can't do contour,
Then
can't
decking.
do lintel,
Then decking.
can't do decking, can't roof am. Oh, don't try me. Anyway, when I welcome on the live show for today, my name is Nanedu Oscar. The first show for inside the month of August. The month of my birthday, Wednesday, not my birthday. Hey.
Say, Baba.
Say, Baba.
Where will they go?
Go. I been you carry me go somewhere.
I go ask where will they go first.
I don't know now.
No be you they do birthday.
No be me where they do birthday. Now you go say, okay, Nedu, I'm taking you out.
No, you don't change.
You don't change.
No, things don't change. No, be your way again. How way that they do them now. Some birthdays these days, they'll tell you, remind me, make I call you, make I wish you happy birthday.
You
For
see
what?
now. That's 3D birthday.
Well, welcome to the light show for today. My name is Nanedu Oscar. Today on Monday, Ministry Monday. Me and Bumi One Plus, including Easy Peter. We done there for Inside Studio. Bumi One, the HR expert. Don't see that. Where Albert today?
I see him today, Sha.
Una not see for weekend.
Which kind of weekend?
Now, wow. Now, normal question not be fight. Now, normal question I ask. I say,
no.
una not see for weekend. You go say, no, we not see. This one now, why I say which kind of weekend? It be like say, you they try dodge something.
Which kind dodge something?
Easy, but I don't know. Are you with me? Are you with me? You see, because normally, if you ask person, if you not get anything from mind, because I know, I not see him. But it's like,
now which kind of weekend?
you see, you can't even hey, leave me, Joe. Minister something there.
No, you know say I we rate Albert last week.
My sister, leave rating. I leave Albert. Albert touch you here.
Leave rating.
Up Piage.
You know.
Albert, know your mumu button. In fact, Albert now match, you go match your mumu button, not be pressed.
Otio.
You go sit down, spoil out. That's how you dey slide. Now Albert I talk, right? They laugh like this.
Oh God.
Anyway, he get some kind Catholic women. I been which women? I don't know which women. They come outside recently, come talk, say men like us, quality men, then quality husbands will be scarce very, very soon in Nigeria.
How come?
See how quality husband, now the woman gone what can be that. Quality husbands will be scarce in Nigeria. Catholic women group. I think they call them Catholic Women CWO, Catholic Women Organization. They don't talk say quality men like us, we will be quality. But the question I want to ask now, be say.
So now fake go remain.
The question I want to ask, when a topic go treat one of these days inside this week, what be the qualities we go make man quality man? And what be the qualities we go make woman quality woman? Like me now, I know I be quality man. We will be quality men. We know ourselves.
We know ourselves, yeah.
Spiritually, physically, and otherwise, we are quality. We know ourselves.
So no need to ask question. Now you
no.
Say you be quality man.
Okay, you now. What be the thing we go make you see? What be the qualities we go make woman? We go make man quality man?
For me, personally, the man supposed get virtues.
Virtue now.
Okay, wait, cool down. The man supposed get virtues now.
Okay.
We be say, you know, say men naturally they know they speak truth.
No. And not me, they talk true. I say, are you with me?
I am with you.
Are you with me? We talk true. I don't know.
Now, general men know they like to they speak truth.
My sister in the Lord, you are in the rock side of the ministry. See the light.
I don't see like.
Albert can take the truth. Anyway, that one a topic for another day. Now, when the women talk, so all of now we be guests where they there. Begin the fast from now. Because the flesh and blood cannot reveal it to you. You see, men like Easy Bit like me, we are quality husbands. quality men, we know. Don't worry.
We know, we know.
We know. Is it your no? Is it your quality?
You know, say.
Is it your quality?
You see, no, see. You get one Yoruba saying where they say, Ori okinrire.
Ori okinrire.
You know Ori now.
Ori. Okay, Ori.
You no go fit see himself.
Yeah.
Now other people they see him.
So what did the title talk say?
I they try to talk.
We
say,
not be we go say we be quality men.
God bless you.
Exhibit is a quality somebody.
You know, exhibit get kind attitude from time. We don't talk about.
So me nko. Ta, get out. I know myself. It's my quality. Is it your quality? Anyway, for women, we just begin to do fasting and prayer, and for men, una know yourself. Just qualitative yourself in the Optalidon Heske put bangles. Are you with me? From your idea. And now, I get some kind of pictures where I go show. Now, before I play one interview, before we enter the topic matter of the day, I want to show a picture of our House of Rep members or Senate. Make you see how their pictures they did. See our House of Rep members, see them, some wear babariga, some wear suit. But this one, why we do the rush? Easy bit, I bet see Jamaica, the House of Rep. See somewhere they are game, they are very rich ground. Eh?
No,
is it now this kind one I like? Come as the Bible said it's come as you are.
Come as you did, no?
Come as you did. No need, because all those clothes where they wear now just packaging. You don't understand. This one, them see the hair, carry the hair, Rastafari, man. And they wonder how they go take the past law. My Lord man, man. And they go to smoke it for inside there.
I now.
Man, raga man.
The Shaba.
Yeah, man. The law, you feel, they're told. Excuse them one. Well, come watch out. Yeah, man.
They go share them first now.
Me if you know talk say the law, if it change the country, you know, you have to go front in the Optalidon. Yeah, man. It go where you can't take, don't finish. You can't go meet. My Lord, can I drag your Igbo small?
If that one no can give her, if you report to Bob
If you report to Bob Marley goes. But I go like make our, hey, that thing don't bring me to one thing. Why don't you think Tete? Why it be say, if governor, president, anybody we want enter political chair, now Bible they use swear. Because it be like waiting.
Maybe.
So that Bible they believe they don't go talk truth. People they swear on top for court, they don't go swear. I tell you nothing but the truth, but nothing but the truth. They go see lie. It go good. If they use Shango or Batala, Amadioha.
You know.
Take the swear. No. Okay, as I take this staff of office to be the governor of this state. Shango! Shango! If I thief money, make thunder strike me.
Now from there, some of them go die.
From there!
Even when you know they get yourself. You know they watch your video.
You don't talk about anywhere.
Isn't it taking it personal?
When you know
because you know you don't trust yourself.
When you know they get yourself, you just see one man, you just do like this.
No, sometimes. now, some of them, now when they collect the staff of office, Shango!
Video.
Federal government put this into consideration. Need to be good. Some go and go swear. Anyway, make we watch one video. When we come back, we'll continue it on top of the night show. Today on Monday, just to make you, maybe today, some people, they hate Monday, just to make you, voluptuate in a Bangis Hegus gala. I don't know. Are you with me? Let's go there.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.